Recently, we've gotten a lot of questions about what are the differences between the products within the Strato Interior Texture Paint. The Strato collection consists of cement texture, velours, cashmere, taffeta, and our new product, satin. Let's start with the cement texture range. The cement texture range mimics the effect of cement render. The finishing is matte and smooth. Velours is very similar to the cement texture. It is just that it features more vibrant and rich colors. It has some bright and deep colors such as hunter green, deep turquoise, bronze, and pink. The finishing is also matte and smooth. Cashmere is a sandy texture paint. It has a slight metallic shimmer, and when you touch it, it has a grainy feel. Taffeta is very similar to Velours, except the patterns are a bit smaller and it has a shimmery top coat. Last but not least is our newest product, satin. It is smooth to the feel with a slight texture and has a very fine pearly finish. It mimics the effect of a silk or satin cloth. I hope this video can help you make the perfect choice for your wall. If you have any questions or if you would like to see some samples, drop us a message and we will get back to you.